Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. And on today's episode we are going to be making an easy bread sausage roll recipe. And people, this is very good for your breakfast, very good for your snacks, and also suitable for your street food cravings. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. So first thing first, I have my slices of bread which I will be using. And people, first thing you do here is bring out the bread, cut off the edges so that you can flatten it with your rolling pin. Watch the process. Don't skip this video for anything. And in case you think my voice is hanging, sorry, I got a little cold and that is why my voice is sounding the way it's sounding. Okay, so you can see the bread I've set up. Then I'll get my knife, cut the edges, and then after cutting the edges, I will use the rolling pin to flatten the bread. Enjoy the process. Don't click out. Once the bread is flattened, get your sausage, mix your egg wash, which is just the egg and the milk, beat it or whip it together, and then get ready to start rolling. That is just what you can see me doing. After beating the egg and milk, I'm just going to be doing what? Roll the sausage with the bread, and then I'll be using the egg wash to seal the end. That's what you can see me doing, and that is it. Enjoy the process. I did the rest off camera, and here is what we have. Now dip in those rolls into the egg wash again and place it back on the baking tray. As you can see, that is the process we are undergoing right now. And after that, we are going to be baking these just for 10 minutes. Did you hear that? But please remember, before the baking process, make sure you slice through the rolls. This will enable the sausage to also grill. Remember, I am not baking this. I am rather going to grill it with my grilling function in my oven. Yes, and I'll tell you the reason behind the grilling. Remember, the sausage should be grilled, not baked. And remember, the bread has already been baked, so we don't have to bake again. We only have to grill. In case you don't have the grilling function in your oven, please use a non-stick pan to make this process, and I assure you, you get the same results. Keep watching, people. I am just slicing through. As you can see, we don't need much ingredients to make this recipe. It is very easy to make. Look at how I did it. Just the bread and the sausage, and then get your egg wash. That is all you need. And the oven. And remember, you can opt out from the oven. Use a non-stick pan and make it on the stove. So after 5 minutes, this is what we have. And then I close it back, and then after another 5 minutes, it was ready, and you will see the end results. This is super easy to make. Look at it, people. This is the end result. Yes, this is just what we are looking for. Is this very simple? I think this is one of the simplest recipe in all my videos. Yes, and make sure you prepare this for your children, for their lunch boxes, for the go, for you on the way. You can choose that as well. Easy breakfast idea. What do you think? Are you making this for your family, friends, and well wishers? Remember, you can also use this for your events. Yes, this can actually be what? This can be your small chops. Yes, look at the inside, looking so fluffy inside and crispy outside. If you know you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big like, and also share to your friends and families. Don't forget to leave a resounding comment at the end. In case you're new, this is the time to hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be alerted anytime I upload new videos. So on a good and pleasant note, people, it will be a great pleasure to have all your beautiful and gorgeous looking faces in the next episode of Mom Essy Kitchen and more. Remember, I love you all, but in all, God loves you most. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.